Alright, man. That's good. Uh, Look at the chart, bro. It's so funny. It's still funny looking at it. But yeah, let's get into the day. Let's get into the trade. High impact news today. PPI hour before market open, and then we had several orange folder newses during market open. So today was kind of like pretty volatile. Just it was either going one direction and just dumping that way, no retracements, nothing like that, or going up. It was either dumping or pumping. But when we entered the trade, price started chopping. That usually happens. I don't know why, but that usually always happens for some reason. But yeah, I took a long on the S&P. Let's get into it. I was contemplating if I should wait for news or not. I already wait for the macro to open. I don't really want to take anything until 8:50 or after 8:50 when that macro opens. So I think I was okay if I saw my setup okay to trade before news because news wasn't anything crazy. News came out right here 9 a.m. and I guess we started a reaction. And it was perfect. This reaction caused us to get the retrace we wanted and then enter that long. So um, yeah, let's just get into it. I know a lot of things are going on right now, so I'm just gonna clear my screen. Um, all the rockets and the moon, all these emojis. Don't knock it till you try it, bro. Could be high key the method. So let's just go in. On the 4 hour, we are severely bullish. Well, this is the 1 hour, but on the 1 hour, we were bearish. We broke structure up here to the downside, but as you can see on the 4 hour, both indexes, we're severely bullish. You know, we're respecting this 4 hour gap. We are in this big imbalance right here on the 4 hour, but you know, we kind of want to make our way back all the way up to these highs. I mean, we are severely down from all-time highs. I mean, it's not horrible. It's only a little over 200 points, but yeah, kind of want to make our way back up, and that's kind of what I wanted to see. I said, I said out loud, or I said to myself, pre-market, that it's been a while since we're in like overall bullish structure, and we were kind of close to these lows on both indexes. What am I trying to say? I'm basically trying to say like it's been a while since like the higher time frames say we're bullish, and then on the lower time frames we're about to sweep sell side liquidity. It's usually like always like if we're bullish on the higher time frames, that means like we're like close to these to buy side already. That's what I'm trying to say. So it was kind of like that's kind of what I want to see coming into a trading day. That doesn't necessarily mean you can't take anything, but you know. But what I mean by that is before market open or right as market open, we took out these lows on the Nasdaq, and we didn't take out those lows yet on the S&P. So I mean, I have these lows marked out. I'm talking about these lows right here. We took them out market open. Right here, as you can see. This is a little before market open. I think it, actually no, yeah, right here. A little before market open, and then market open, it just kind of pumped, I think, at first, and then dumped. Market open, yeah, we kind of pumped right here, and then we eventually dumped, took out all these lows. I mean, seeing this, I thought the day was over, honestly, seeing all this. But we ended up getting a bullish reaction. These blue lines are just like imbalances. We didn't invalidate these gaps, so, I mean, oh, I forgot to mention, we're actually in bullish structure going to market open. So we broke structure right here, and then eventually broke structure back to the downside. And we're still in bullish structure on the S&P. But yeah, if we ended up invalidating like Like in real time, we're all the way down here. So if we ended up invalidating this fair value gap, then yeah, like I was gonna be for sure off the chart. For sure off. But I saw we got a reaction off, us tapping into these gaps, taking out draws on liquidity. And I was like, okay, maybe we have something right here. So after I saw that, we didn't go that deep on the S&P. We created a 5-minute SMT with ES and the Nasdaq. S&P. The S&P was the leading index in this SMT. So marking out this 5-minute low from this 5-minute low. Obviously, we take it out right here on the Nasdaq. Failed to do so on the S&P. And in turn, we created a new low, and that's a 5-minute SMT. After that, I'm marking out equilibrium from this high, this low, like I always do. I mean, yeah, news drop, we get that retracement, and boom, I'm waiting. Ideally, I wouldn't want this big fair value gap because kind of messes up the risk to reward, kind of messes up like my entry, or not my entry, my hypothetical, what I would want the entry would be. It would be cool if I got my entry like right here and target these highs, target or put stop loss at this low, but is what it is. Come down, retrace into equilibrium, into this 1-minute gap. And yeah, got a reaction off that. Marking out this IFVG, we broke it. I enter slightly late on the XFA because entered first on the live, and then when I was ready to enter on the XFA, I didn't really get, we were like right here. I wasn't really trying to get that entry. It wasn't really ideal entry for me. But yeah, I got a slightly better entry on the live right here. Enter right here. Let's put so right here. Enter 3 right here at 6.711. 6.7. Right there, and had my same take profits. Went in with, I think, went in with 5. And then as price dumped, I added a contract because that's ideally, or that was how much contracts I wanted to be in, because I'm risking 250 on the live and 500 on the XFA. So I mean, just split it perfectly. If it's 6 on here, then it should be 3 on the live. So added a contract down here. My average cost ended up being right here, this 13.25, and then stop loss was under this fair value gap. And boy, oh boy, did we get saved. Boy, oh boy, had my stop loss literally at the end of this fair value gap. Boy, oh boy, 97.75. Dude, that's literally like a point. You got saved. But that's why you put stop losses, where your trade could you put it at reasonable spots that can save you from getting stopped out. And then boom, I mean, so blessed that I got saved. Didn't get stopped out, and then literally reversed. I mean, the emoji method might have to be the way. Not gonna lie. While we're at it, before I made this video, this is high-key a good short opportunity. I mean, this is my strategy. It was like right here when I started the video, I think. And then, I saw it. Because look, our trade hit take profit, right? But what is this? A liquidity sweep. And then this is the high. So in turn, we make a 5-minute SMT. After that, I'm waiting for equilibrium. Like, our trade would have hit right here. Or, not hit, but like, wait for this IFVG to get invalidated and enter. It could get invalidated in these seconds. I mean, this is in real time, literally. My strategy. Maybe put stop losses up here, target these draws on liquidity, depending on what you want. I think this is an hourly. Is it an hourly low? It is an hourly low. So honestly, you'll be targeting that low, or you can. It just depends on the person. But bro, look at that. This is literally our strategy. I would take it on the Nasdaq because it's the leading index in this SMT. We invalidated it. Honestly, you would want to see a better like invalidation, I guess, like more of a body. But I mean, you take what you can get, and yeah, I mean, this is my strategy. This is literally my strat. So, I mean, I'm not gonna wait till this video, but later on in the day, I'll see if it plays out. I mean, how likely are we gonna dump all the way to take this low? Maybe not too likely. Plus, we're like, actually, we're not even late into the day. But yeah, we just have to see. But as I was saying, yeah, price, like, I mean, it was just a beautiful thing to see. Can't lie. We get a beautiful reaction, tapping into this imbalance, breaking structure. Well, we technically broke structure with this doji candle, but yeah, we get this beautiful reaction and kind of consolidate a little bit, break structure down. The Connex consolidated, and eventually we hit take profit. We went to the moon, but great thing to see. But the main thing is, did I follow my rules? Did I do what I was supposed to do? And yes, did what I was supposed to do, did my job. That's the main thing. Very proud of my patience. Right now I have another combine. Last night I traded an Asia session just to get this winning day, or yeah, this 1500. And the reason for that, it was so weird. So I guess you had to actually like do it manually, cancel your subscription. So I never did that. This is like another combine that I blew in the past. So apparently I just been like having to pay this subscription. I was like, where are these free credits coming from? Where are like these, I guess you get credits when you repay your thing or something. And then I was like, why is this still here? Like, shouldn't it go away? But I guess it just doesn't go away unless you like literally cancel the subscription. So ironically, the rebuild day for this account, this combine, was like, I got charged Sunday morning, which was the 23rd. And I was like, wait, what? I got charged? And yeah, I found out all about all that last night. I was like, damn, I got charged again. So the plan is to get a payout from this XFA, and then with that payout, scale up and buy more accounts. So I'm gonna try to pass this account. I don't know my plan. I really don't. But my plan is to first just pass this account, but not pay the activation yet, because I mean, I'm running through money right now. I don't have, just money just to throw away like that. It's not really I'm not throwing away money, but I guess you understand what I'm trying to say. But yeah, the goal is to get a payout and then get more accounts, allocate more, scale more. Because, I mean, think about it. 575, imagine this across 5 accounts. I would have made nearly $3,000 in a day. And honestly, I already calculated before this video, but imagine this across 5 accounts. That's damn near 10K. That's almost 10K a month. Just from 2 trades, dude. 2 trades. Imagine allocated 5 accounts. 2 trades, and you're up 10K on the month. Oh yeah, also what I wanted to mention is Top Step released a new thing yesterday. It was no activation fee anymore. I know I'm yapping in this video, but it is what it is. Wait. Let's see. I don't want to leak my shelf. Oh yeah, start combine. But look at this. Everyone's tweaking about the new payout rules that are gonna potentially be ingrained into the. I don't know what I'm saying. The new payout rules that it's not active yet, but yeah, the new potential payout rules. It's people. I don't know. People can't read. I don't even know if I want to pop it up because this video is already long. But look at this. So this is the standard. The only thing that changed was the activation fee price. And now no activation fee is 89 for 50Ks. Does this change like in terms of wait, you can pass in 1 to 2 attempts? Wait, what? No activation fee is who are dialed in and can pass in 1 to 3 attempts. What does that mean? Like 1 to 2 trades? Wait, is there no consistency? Hold up, I didn't even realize that. I'm pretty sure there's a consistency rule. Yeah, there's definitely still a consistency rule. Why does it say 1 attempt? Are they just talking about like the whole process of just passing it? Oh, do you get like a free reset or something? I don't know, bro. Because there's definitely still consistency rule, but this changes a lot, bro. Cause bro, you can get max allocation for $450. We'll just go 90. You can get max allocation on 50Ks on Top Step for $450 compared to in the past where it would just be 1,000. Well, now with the new 130 plus, it'll be 180 times 5. So now the max allocation would be 900. So you can get max allocation 50Ks for $450. And then if you get like a 2K payout on each, that's 10K. You will be making like, I calculated it yesterday. Damn, 18 minutes in. Let's say 10K divided by your initial investment. That's a 22x on your return, bro. That's insane. But yeah, I've been kind of talking a lot, so I'm kind of trying to wrap this up real quick. I'm gonna do my journaling. I just started this like last week, or actually 2 weeks almost ago. I'm gonna be journaling every single trade, even if I don't trade in a day like this. I did this yesterday. Journal what I was feeling, what I saw, and this was yesterday. I saw a potential entry, but never got my entry, or I saw a potential trade and never got my entry. And I think that's what's gonna really help me. But I've been yapping a lot. Yeah, it's just gotta do the same thing over and over again. My goal is to try to build this account to around 3,000 to 4,000. If it's 3,000, I'll take $1,000 payout. If I build it to 4,000, I'll take a $2,000 payout because I still want that $2,000 buffer. Obviously, when you take a payout, your MLL goes to 0. So I still want that 2K buffer so I can risk 500 each trade, and that would take me 4 trades in a row to lose the account. The plan is anything above 2,000 I make on this account, I'm gonna have to start, not to have to, but I want to start risking more. So let's say if the next trade I take is a winner, let's say it's like builds my account up to this. I'm gonna start risking more because now my risk is now 2,400. It's not 2,000 anymore because I was able to build my account more than 2,000. You get what I'm saying? Because this is gonna turn into 2,000 tomorrow, or I guess technically later today when the new session opens up. So this is what turn to 2,000, which would be, it's gonna turn to like -2 or like -1, whatever 2,000 minus this is about 100 and something. So this would be that. So let's say 2,400 times 2.5, a fourth of my drawdown. I'll bump my risk up to 600, which can help me build my account more and more. And as much, the more I win, I can allocate more risk, and then my winning days could be bigger. So that's the plan with that. I've been watching videos. What's the best way to trade a XFA, and how should I go about doing all of this? 21 minutes. I need to get off this video, get off the charts, journal, and yeah. Was I right here the whole time? I'm right here. It just got dark in my room. Do I look? I don't know. This lighting's weird. But yeah, let me stop yapping. God bless.